put spicy sauce on a 2 for €6? Arby's, we have the meats. Well, well, well. Look who's back and ready to go. Better, stronger, and yeah, faster too. Woo! It's a new season, new hopes, new dreams, all in the pursuit of one thing, one great, glorious thing. To be the last team standing, to hoist that trophy, the crown jewel of our national pastime. The ride to October starts now. You better get on board.
Welcome back to MLB Tonight, presented by Chevrolet. Got a good one cooking up for you in Southern California. NTT Ballpark, can't take us out to Angel Stadium tonight. Astros are coming off a sweep of the A's. They scored at least 8 runs in all 4 games, and the bats are well alive. They will take on the Angels. Had an exciting game last night to Shohei Ohtani pitched, and also they hit a home run. Hardest exit velocity uh, homer in Angels history. By the way, Mike Trout is on that team. So that is saying something for Shohei Ohtani. But let's welcome in rookie reliever Chris Rodriguez, who joins us. Chris, it's Fran Charles, Ken Rosenthal, and the Buck Showalter. We appreciate you taking some time. I know you made your major league debut Friday. You pitched 2 innings, gave up 2 hits, came in the middle, I believe, the 5th inning. And the first guy you faced was Yohan Moncada, and you struck him out. Just take me back to, we'll get into your particulars and your story, but just take me back to that